Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and a new feature that I think is going to be a good thing on YouTube. Creators will be asked to add information about anything AI that they will add to videos. So basically, if a video, for example, itself is made by AI and looks extremely real, YouTube will require you to mention that it's an AI driven video or it can be taken down. So, this is a first step. I think a lot of platforms will do this for a simple reason. AI is at times extremely difficult to see the difference between what is a real video and reality and AI content. And it will only get worse. It will only get more and more difficult to find the difference, find what's AI, what's not. So I think it's a good move on the part of YouTube to require us to mention that something or an entire video might be AI driven so that we will be warned that whatever content we have is either true content or made up content by some artificial intelligence. It will definitely help in making sure that we know what's the true content and what's the fake made content, or it could be true content, but it could be just made by a machine. So as it gets more and more difficult, I think every video platform, I think every platform, that even those that have pictures and those that require you to have you upload all sorts of art content and music, or should require this as a minimum, that if a content is created by AI, that we actually know about it. I think it's a minimum. This will help us, take the real and the machine-driven information. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.